What's up, MTV? Welcome to our crib! My name's Catherine. Do I explain my relationship to you? Christian is my brother, who is Sofia's girlfriend, boyfriend.
Yeah. I'm Sofia. I'm a freshman at the University of Dayton, and I live in Marycrest complex.
Now we're gonna show you our dorm. Have changed the way that our dorm has been for 3 times. We decided that we wanted to do a mega desk, so this is my side, and I have pens and pencils, some books, a decorative mug, and light because over here there's no lighting, and my planner, my laptop, and some artsy photos. And then this is Sofia's side of the desk.
Yeah, in the middle we have a printer, speaker, and then my lamp. And then this jar of scrunchies, and then I have my collage, which kind of matches Kat's, tassels along the top. And then I sort of use my desk more as a vanity, so I have this light up mirror right here, a few little knickknacks, perfume, and then my makeup brushes. This is from Forever 21, and then those tassels are from Target from the party section. This lamp's from Walmart.
One thing that we did is we hated the look of our trash can, so we put our trash can in the drawer, so it hides it. And then these are just cleaning supplies in there that both of us use.
So this is from Target.
Okay.
And then this Hello Neon sign is from Urban Outfitters.
And then our friends gave us this cork board. I don't know where they got it from, but these are just Polaroids that we took on Sofia's little camera. Here's our kitchen.
Yeah.
All of our utensils and cups that both of us share. The school provides our fridge and our microwave, so we don't have to actually go purchase it. And then we come over to the sanctuary. Yeah. Mine is below Sofia's, so I have this little corner that I have. It's so peaceful under here. And I have these lights hung up underneath Sofia's bed, and we put a curtain, so it's kind of cozy. If you want a lava lamp, Walmart sells them for $9. Pretty great. I have that chalkboard sign that I switch out here and there, and that is also from Walmart from the party section. And then here I have all of my hair products, nail stuff. This I got from Home Goods, and then I keep my textbooks in this little drawer. I don't know where I got this from. I'm pretty sure it was my brother's. Both blankets are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and so is the comforter. All of the pillows are from Home Goods.
Okay, and then this is how I get up onto my bed. I go up here, and then as you can see, they have shelves in our dorm, so I kind of have this whole shelf to myself. And then so these bins are from Walmart, and they kind of just have food, some random stuff in there. I also keep some sort of pens or markers up here because I do like to journal and stuff like that. So here's another pegboard that says "Bet you won't," because you won't. And then I painted this. This is from TJ Maxx. My sister made me that candle, and then the peace sign's from Nordstrom Rack. And then my bedding is just a plain white comforter from IKEA. This one's from Target, and then this blanket's from Urban Outfitters. Most of my pillows are from all over the place. I know this one, and then the white one with the lines on it is from Target, and then this is from Ross. And then I have all these Polaroids because I have a lot of photos, and then these strip lights are from Walmart. Okay, and then over here we have a full-length mirror, which is from IKEA. I have my little bin of toilet supplies, so I have hair stuff, nail stuff, and then a bunch of face masks. And then the crate that we got from Walmart, and your white rug is from Ross.
Yeah. So this is my side of the closet. So like Sofia, I have these bins with my snacks in it, and they're from Walmart. And then these bins are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I keep my toiletries up there. And my closet's a little messy, but I keep my sweatshirts and my thick sweaters up here, and then everything hangable. I fold all my t-shirts, and my shorts are down there, and then I have a shoe rack, which I got from Pottery Barn, sold it. And then I keep the rest of my clothes in these set of drawers. When you go to the vanity side, I do my makeup over here all the time, so I have all my makeup in here. And then I have this jewelry stand, which I was given to for Christmas. I think it's also from Home Goods. As you can see, I like Home Goods. And then, a light up mirror that's dead. Oh, maybe it's not. And then I have some more photos of my friends and my family.
And on my side, I kind of have this bin where I keep all my keys, my wallet, stuff like that. And then I have this plant whose name is Jarrett. He's thriving. And then for my half of the closet, I also keep more clothing in all of these ones, but I also have more bins, which is filled with, I don't know. I honestly don't know what's in there. I got them from Five and Below, so they're all like $2. And then all my clothes, my shoe rack, and then my laundry bin. My laundry bin's from TJ Maxx. This is from Target. Over here, we kind of share this one.
Yeah, this is like our coat closet.
Yeah, we put all of our big jackets in here.
And then our shower caddies. I got mine from Bed Bath & Beyond.
Same.
Sophia's actually has like a phone case thing on it. Mine
So
doesn't
nice.
have, so she can use her phone in the shower.
And then I keep all of my textbooks and stuff
Yeah.
over here.
Textbooks and then some miscellaneous in our recycling bin.
And that's our dorm!
My name's Catherine.
Hey guys.